Chanakya is famous in the history books of India as a sage-like person. Chanakya was wise, clever, foresighted, determined, and an expert of politics and diplomacy in India. He was born in a poor Brahmin family in Taxila. In his personal life, he was a very aesthetic person, and many say that he lived in a mud hut just besides the royal palace. With the help of a brave and capable general, Chandragupta Maurya, he founded the great Mauryan dynasty. The Mauryan Empire was the greatest ever empire of that time. Stretching from Afghan to Myanmar and from Kashmir to mid Tamil Nadu, the Mauryan Empire expanded over 5 million square kilometers. One currency, one law, and one system. But what surprises me the most is the fact that the founder, Chandragupta Maurya, was not a born king. He was just a common man. So what helped this common man to find the greatest ever Indian empire? Chanakya is a person who served as a friend, philosopher, and as a guide to Chandragupta Maurya. They are believed to have the greatest ever partnership of the Indian history, and there is so much that we can learn from their story. But before that, I have to tell you about this man. He is Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, who has been studying about Chanakya from over a decade now and has been propagating his life learnings to the world. He is believed to be the modern day Chanakya, and he has been personally mentoring people like Ranveer Allabadia and helping them to influence today's youth at the next level. I had the privilege of meeting this man at an event held in Mumbai and spending some quality time with him. And that is what inspired me to study more about Chanakya and his life teachings. Chanakya lived approximately 2400 years ago, but his learnings are still relevant in today's time. And today I want to share some of my biggest learning from the life of Chanakya. I make this kind of videos on mildly interesting topics, so please subscribe for more of these. So here we start with the 5 biggest learnings from the life of Chanakya. Chanakya was once invited to the court of the Nanda rulers, wherein the Nanda king insulted Chanakya based on his physical appearances. Chanakya's knowledge was insulted based on his looks. Chanakya decided to overthrow the Nanda rulers, and he knew that he couldn't do it alone. So he took the help of Chandragupta Maurya, and together they were able to make this happen. Chanakya wasn't a good-looking person, and he had accepted this fact. But Chanakya's greatest strength was his knowledge, and his knowledge, supported by the leadership skills of Chandragupta Maurya, led to the establishment of the great Mauryan dynasty. Education is the best friend. An educated person is always respected everywhere. Education beats beauty. The term knowledge is hard to define. Knowledge is something which helps a person to reduce the distance between him and his life objective. A verse from the Chanakya Niti says, "Money in the hands of others is of no use." Same is the case with every person whose knowledge is only confined to books. Knowledge is something that will serve your whole life. The most powerful thing in this world is knowledge, because it can create or destroy a person. Knowledge is the ability to help others. Moreover, it is the greatest gift that the human race has ever received, and it is what separates us from the rest of the animal kingdom. So make sure to use your knowledge to bring about a positive change in your life as well as in the life of others. Chandragupta's first attack on the empire failed. Both Chandragupta and Chanakya were roaming in a village in disguise when they overheard a conversation about them between a mother and a child. The child had only eaten the center part of the cake, which was soft, and left the remaining parts, and the mother called the child Chandragupta because Chandragupta directly attacked the capital, that is Patliputra, ignoring all the bordering villages. That's when he understood his mistake, and he used the same mistake as a power to fight against the Nandas next time. It is very much clear that we not only learn from our mistakes but also from the mistakes of others. Nanda rulers were cruel and unjust kings, and the villagers were frustrated about this thing. And this mistake of the Nanda rulers made Chandragupta realize about all the things that he should avoid to become an ideal king. Learn from the mistakes of others, because you can't live enough to make them all by yourself. By learning from the mistakes of others, we become better individuals who are prepared enough to face the challenges of tomorrow. The relationship between Chanakya and Chandragupta bloomed through the years, making a strong force for their enemies. It is said that Chandragupta once went on to meet Alexander. Bold and arrogant behavior by Chandragupta enraged Alexander, and he was arrested. Chanakya's training to Chandragupta was over by now, and he thought that this would be the perfect occasion to let him taste the practical aspect of the warfare. While Chandragupta was in prison, he closely observed the movements and strategies of Alexander. He also came to know about their weaknesses. Through his observation, he came to know that all the rulers who were about to succeed Alexander were incapable and ununited. This was their greatest weakness, and it became Chandragupta's greatest strength. Two strong commanding officers, namely Nikosar and Philip, were killed, and this led to a weakening of Alexander. After Alexander died in Babylon, Some officers were killed and few of them ran away. It clearly meant that Greeks had accepted their defeat. Strength is the ability of a person to make something happen as per his desire. You can dream about a lot of things, but none of those dreams will come true unless you have the power to accomplish that particular thing and to make it happen. All of us have got immense strength and power within us. We either don't know how to use our potential or we are just being lazy. Even if a snake is not poisonous, it should act as venomous. Analyze yourself, understand your strengths and your weaknesses. Make use of your strength as a tool to fight when all the odds are against you. Chanakya was the advisor of Chandragupta. He also used to take care of his training to make him an ideal king. He used to mix a really small dose of poison in Chandragupta's food to make him resistant to poison. He would give him certain challenges which would be difficult for him to accomplish. But always remember, great men are never born. Ordinary people who have met extraordinary challenges become great. The hardships and the failures that one encounters gives an ordinary person an extraordinary destiny. Everything that you want is just one step outside your comfort zone. Let me give you two life situations. The first one is to sit at home and to enjoy a Netflix series. Or the second one is to go for a trekking with your friends. Human brain naturally chooses the easiest path, but easy tasks can never guarantee you growth. It may give you short-term happiness, but you won't be able to grow as a person. You have to step out of your comfort zone, and this is what will make you a better person. He who is overly attached to his family members experiences fear and sorrow, for the root of all grief is attachment. Thus, one should discard attachment as much as possible to be happy. As soon as fear approaches you, attack it and destroy it. So get out of your comfort zone and discover a new yourself. The term dharma does not necessarily mean religion. Here it means purpose. The Mauryas were common people, and Chandragupta himself, being a commoner, knew their problems. This is what made him different from the Nanda rulers who used to collect heavy taxes from common people. The Mauryan dynasty became the greatest ever dynasty of that time because Chanakya's purpose was to stabilize the politics and the economics, and Chandragupta's purpose was to grow his kingdom and to make his people happy. There was trade happening with the foreign countries of silk and spices, and all the kings from various small kingdoms were happy to be part of the Mauryan dynasty. People were very happy and they believed in their king, and their king believed in his purpose. The story of Chandragupta and Chanakya teaches us that finding a purpose is the most important part of our life. And when you find a purpose of your life, you not only change your life, but also the lives of those people around you. Chanakya's teachings are so relevant even in today's times. Even if years and centuries go by, even if natural calamities change the face of the planet, the great teachings of this great being spring forth anew, and they are never being destroyed, nor subtle presence of such divine beings ever get diminished. Our history makes me feel that our great leaders in their mindset, vision and execution were ahead of today's times. They had the knowledge, they had the wisdom, and they knew how to execute them properly to create a kingdom where happiness and prosperity coexist. A man is great by his activities only. Birth has got nothing to do with it, and this is the greatest learning that we all can take away from the lives of these two great men. If you were able to take away some kind of inspiration from this video, I'll appreciate if you share this inspiration with your family and your friends, and also to comment down your views on this particular topic. That's all I have for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep smiling, keep spreading smiles, and stay happy all day, every day, everywhere.